In this video, I will show you how to send a friend a gift from your shop in Finch. First, launch open the Finch app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the shop option in the bottom menu. Next, choose whether you want to send a furniture or outfit. Now select the item that you want to send and select it. The item will then appear in your birdhouse. Now tap on the send gift, then find the friend that you want to send the gift to and tap on send next to their name. You can then choose the color of the gift wrap. Keep in mind that sending a gift costs 200 additional stones. Also, you can only send one gift per person, so make sure you have selected the correct friend and item. Once everything is ready, tap Send Gift to confirm. You should then see a confirmation that your gift has been sent. If you want to send multiple gift items to the same friend, you can purchase an item for yourself first, then send it from your bag when eligible to send another gift. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.